You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet. I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and the ats at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And that's right, I am back with a daily update to give out some free pips. I know people have been making some money. Yes, I know you have, because these trades have been moving. So I hope you're going to like the new update. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we are currently on my chart. This is Euro USD, and you know what I've got? I've got the daily chart on my left, the weekly chart on my right, and we're going to be seeing where we think price could go towards. We can see from yesterday what happened with price. So price did manage to buy up, and it didn't eventually get to this level right here, 1.17834. Just a little bit before it got there, price managed to find a rejection and sell. And when it did sell back down to this level we had marked out right here, 1.17437. Right now, it seems like price wants to go back towards this liquidity down here and possibly cover that level. It could be acting as a support on this level right now, but we're just waiting to see what happens. Hopefully you got in from around about here, and you should have been looking to hold your position to take it to at least cover this liquidity around these two zones. So you have this level here, and then you have this level here as well. If price does decide to find a support here, then we are looking at a continuation to go towards this liquidity up here and then eventually here. But for now, I would say this seems like a safe bet in terms of a sell up to there. I don't know if you're going to get in straight away, but I would definitely be waiting for some type of lower time frame pullback, maybe M15, H1, H4, something like that. And you want to look for a pullback and then a continuation of a sell to this level if it finds a resistance around this level here. Gbpjpy, as we can see, what happened with prices, this was a bit better for us, and this is what happens when you look at straight confluences you might have had in terms of market structure or price action. So we can see straight away here that price did manage to buy up and clear this liquidity here as we were suggesting. And then after that, you can see that there was a sell candle that did appear straight away from this zone here. So if you got in from a sell on 151346, that was a pretty good zone that you could have got in for a sell, and you would have been able to take price all the way down to here, which again is the Fibonacci level, the 78.6. What I'm expecting is if price wants to continue to sell, then we're looking at it hitting this zone here around this level here. So about 150.009. That's what we'll be looking for if it manages to continue that trajectory. If it does want to go up, there is a little bit of daily liquidity just right over here around this zone. So that's 152.241. But if it's continuing to sell, then we are looking at price to go towards here today. Gbpusd, now something a bit similar. We see that price didn't go all the way to cover this liquidity. It doesn't have to. You know, this is the market. Anything that's a line can be an area. Doesn't have to be an exact line. But what we did get is a beautiful rejection here, and price went straight away to go and cover the liquidity we had marked out pretty much from the day before. So what it did leave here, it did go and chase this liquidity around this zone right away here. So it is going to continue to sell. We're looking at some type of level around here, 1.36652. Might find a support here and then continue to go up. So we just have to see how it plays out. If you're not already in this sell, I'd be waiting for price to come back down to a low, or at least find a strong support around this level for a continuation of a buy up to this weekly area here. Now on the weekly chart, you can see what's starting to happen and how liquidity forms. If you look over to the right, you can see that it's leaving a weekly wick here. So if price does find a support here, it has the right reasons to go and catch this next week and continue up for a buy if it chooses to do so. Usdjpy. Now, when we go to this pair, like I said, for these Usdjpy, and I think it was the other pair, Usdchf, we are still waiting for price to do some type of move towards a direction. So I would like for price to go up and clear this liquidity here, find a resistance around this level, which is 110.774. If it finds some type of resistance around this level, you know, then we're going to be looking for some type of continuation sell to clear all this weekly liquidity down here. So we'll see how it plays out. It might clear here and go towards here and clear there, find a resistance up here, 111.672, and then sell. We'll see how it goes. If it goes up towards here, then we're going to get a fantastic sell going back down. So we'll follow this as soon as it gets to a resistance or a support. USDCHF, we can still see it is yucky still. Nothing positive going on from this pair, just consolidation, just ranging a lot. So we still just gotta wait for this pair to go either up to a level, we're looking at this level here, 0.93041, or even higher up to here, which is 0.93699, and then we're looking at a possible resistance area, then a sell, or we're looking at price to go down towards a support, which is 0.90308, and then we're looking at price buying up towards this level here to cover this weekly liquidity here. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated as the days go along. AUD USD, now we can see from this, we did have a perfect rejection, pretty much so, off of this level here. We had a nice rejection off of the 0.72701. We had a nice rejection here, engulfing daily candle, which is a strong sign of a reversal, clear as well. This one went to go cover the liquidity. So from yesterday, we could see we marked out this liquidity here, and we could see that price did go and cover this area today. So if it wants to find a continuation, we're looking at price going towards this level here. So I'll just mark this one out quickly for us, which this level here is 0.71986. That's what we're looking at. If price wants to continue to sell, it will go towards there. If not, it's going to go up towards this weekly liquidity zone here. Look over to the right and you'll see where I'm pointing at. Usdcad. Now Usdcad, from the way I've been marking out this chart lately, it seems like this might be one of my favorite major pairs. This pair has just been feeding me. Been feeding me, it's been feeding my team all this week so far, and I'm sure it's fed everybody else. So we caught a lovely 200 pip sell. It was 230 pip sell all the way from here, and I did say that this level here, look how I marked it out as well. So I marked out the 1.25775, and I said that if price finds a support on this area, then we're going to most likely find a buy happening. It'll be a strong buy because we're looking at price going back up towards here where it wants to cover this liquidity right here. From the looks of it, we did have a great one today. So if you managed to just find a buy from this area here today, then you would have been able to catch what happened yesterday. Look what happened yesterday. So it had an indecision, so it bought up and then it sold all the way back down. Thursday, the market came in, it found a level of support around this level, and then it just bought up to cover this liquidity. So hopefully we can see some type of continuation of bullish momentum, breaking the 50% on the daily chart, and hopefully buying back up towards this level here. This would be fantastic if it can clear this liquidity. That would be a nice, beautiful long buy, and people can hopefully catch some money, man, some pips, man. You know I'm gonna show you the what you gonna do, Jerry? So yeah, that about wraps it up, guys and girls. Nice, short and sweet. You know how it goes. I just give you the daily update, and I'm sure you guys and girls have been eating off of this. Please, all I'm asking for is to like, comment, share, subscribe. It won't take nothing much out of your day. Don't be like that now. Don't be like that. Stop cheating on me, man. Stop cheating on me. I'm giving everybody out here some free technical analysis ideas, whether you take it from the levels I suggest or use your own strategy to gain entry into these trades. I'm sure around the board you're going to be able to find some type of pips off of these moves at least once in a week, if not multiple days. If you want to get into my mentorship as well, please hit the links down below. Hit Discord. There is a link in the YouTube description to get into my Discord, and then you can direct message me, or you can go over to the signals video that will be here on the right. And on another note as well, if you are liking these type of markups and stuff like this, I'm telling you, I do all of the 28 pairs when it comes to my students, including gold as well and silver. So and they've managed to catch gold and silver as well because of what I've called out there. So if you want to get into gold and silver and stuff like that, and you're interested in terms of being able to see me do markups like this, then you need to get into the mentorship. Get in there, don't be shy. I'm telling you, it's very affordable, and you people out there are going to love it because I also teach you how to gain entry into these trades. Let's make some money. Peace.